The last thing that I had that I am excited to finally post was we released the hydration kit updated for Server 2025 and SQL Server 2022. Very exciting stuff. Um, so I posted a little blog post about this on deployment research, but you will find if you've used our hydration kits in the past that we're mostly just posting and updating any documentation completely over on GitHub now, which is a little bit of a change from the previous two hydration kits. So I wanted to call that out. One of the reasons that this took me a little while to get this wrapped up was SQL Server 2022 absolutely supported for ConfigMgr. SQL Server 2022 is absolutely creating databases with compatibility level 160. ConfigMgr only supports compatibility level 150. So Johan and I went back and forth a couple of times on how we wanted to deal with that in the hydration kit, reached out to the community, and ultimately followed one of our good friends, Brian Mason's guidance on pre-creating the database. And I think you'll agree, Johan, when Brian says something like that, probably should listen.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Absolutely, that's absolutely what we're doing now. So it's kind of interesting. We have, in fact, I've found a SQL script that you had written quite a while ago for an older hydration kit to pre-create the database. Worked very well. So if I go in here, you can see I've got a SQL script. Thank you for posting this to the community many years ago, Johan. One of the challenges I was running into was basically when certain resources would be available in the task sequence. So I have a PowerShell script here that basically runs that SQL command. I figured that would be the easiest way to run the SQL script was simply using some PowerShell. So a couple of different timing issues ended up coming into effect where this PowerShell script was run in the sequence, and then making sure that the old SQL PS module is actually available. So you can see I was doing some additional logging above and beyond what we would normally do in some of these scripts. And then not only that, but ensuring that the SQL Server service was actually running. And if it's not running, fire it up because I need SQL Server running to pre-create the database. So long-winded way of saying PowerShell script and a SQL script to get that database pre-created works well. Tested it a few times over the weekend, and happy to finally get this released out there. One thing that we are asking is if you do have issues with this kit or any recommendations for improvements or anything like that, please file those here on the GitHub repository. This for my workflow is a lot more straightforward, something that's a little bit easier for us to track than what we would commonly do and deal with some of those issues in the blog post comments. Please, if this is something that that you were looking forward to using, or if you use our hydration kit, go ahead and give Server 2025 a shot and let us know here in the issues if there's something I may have missed, because it is absolutely possible.